Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. So let's get started. Number 1, Terunsoul Dash Cam. If you're looking for a modern dash cam with fast wireless connectivity, the Terunsoul Dash Cam could be worth a look. Its compact design fits neatly inside your vehicle without taking up too much windshield space. It supports up to 128 gigabytes of storage, giving you plenty of room for your driving footage. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6, you can conveniently connect to your smartphone and manage recorded videos. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or taking a road trip, having a dash cam can provide useful footage when you need it. If you're looking for a feature-packed dash cam with modern connectivity, check out the Terunsoul. Number 2, REDTIGER F7N Dash Cam. Looking for a dash cam with a built-in screen and parking monitoring? Meet the REDTIGER F7N. Its integrated display lets you check the camera view directly from inside your vehicle, making setup and everyday use more convenient. The F7N also includes parking monitoring, helping you keep an eye on your vehicle when it's parked. Whether you're driving around town, commuting to work, or heading out on a road trip, recorded footage can be extremely useful when you need to review an incident. If you want a practical dash cam with a built-in display and parking features, the REDTIGER F7N is worth considering. Number 3, AProX Vision 1080p 3-channel Dash Cam. Looking for a dash cam that can capture more than just what's happening in front of your car? The AProX Vision 1080p 3-channel Dash Cam is designed to provide multiple camera views while you're on the road. With 3 camera channels, you can capture different areas around your vehicle instead of relying on a single forward-facing camera. It also supports up to 128 gigabytes of storage, giving you more space for recorded footage. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or taking a road trip, multiple camera angles can provide useful coverage when you need it. If you're looking for a budget-friendly multi-channel dash cam, the AProX Vision is worth checking out. Number 4, Wi-Fi GPS G-Sensor Dash Cam. Want a dash cam that combines Wi-Fi connectivity with useful driving features? This Wi-Fi Dash Cam is designed to make managing your recorded footage more convenient. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can connect the camera to your smartphone and access your videos without constantly removing the memory card. It also features GPS and a G-sensor to provide additional information about your driving and recorded events. From daily commutes to weekend road trips, having recorded footage can give you useful evidence when you need to review what happened. If you're looking for a connected dash cam with GPS and G-sensor features, this model is worth a closer look. Number 5, REDTIGER F17 STARVIS IMX675 Dash Cam. If image quality is one of your top priorities, take a look at the REDTIGER F17. This dash cam features a Sony STARVIS IMX675 image sensor, designed to capture detailed footage in different driving conditions. It also supports 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, making wireless access to your recorded videos more convenient. Whether you're driving during the day, heading out at night, or taking a long road trip, having clear recorded footage can be extremely useful. The F17 combines a modern Sony image sensor with fast wireless connectivity in a sleek dash cam. If you're looking for a feature pack, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.